Hello friends, today we know about the important factor affecting the enzyme activity, that is pH. The concentration of H plus ion affects reaction velocity in several ways. First, the catalytic process usually requires that the enzyme and substrate have special chemical groups in either an ionized or unionized state in order to interact. For example, catalytic activity may require that amino group of the enzyme be in protonated form. At alkaline pH, this group is deprotonated and the rate of reaction therefore declines. Extremes of pH can also lead to denaturation of the enzyme because the structure of catalytically active protein molecule depends on the ionic character of the amino acid side chain. The pH at which maximum enzyme activity achieve is different for different enzymes and often reflects the concentration of H plus ion at which the enzyme functions in the body. For example, pepsin, a digestive enzyme in the stomach, maximally active at pH 1.5, whereas salivary amylase is work at neutral pH will be denatured by such acidic environment. Similarly, alkaline phosphatase work best at pH 9 to 10, while lysosomal acid hydrolase work best around pH 4.5. This is the diagrammatic representation of pH and rate of reaction, which shows that the optimum pH for most of the enzyme is about 7, that is the neutral pH. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.